Hello traders, and welcome to another educational video. We bring to you the Market Open Preview. Today is May 6, 2014, and it is Tuesday. This presentation is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, it's great to be with you today. It's a beautiful, sunny, blue sky day in Pattaya, Thailand, and I am privileged to be with you today as we do another educational video. My name is William K. Gilday, and I'll be your moderator today. And yes, that's me, traders. All right, let me tell you just a little bit about myself very quickly. I've been trading the Forex markets since 2006. In 2008, after I retired in the United States, I moved to the great country of Thailand, and I've been here ever since. I started full-time trading when I arrived, and traders, I am still trading full-time. All right, that's a little bit about myself. Let's go over and talk about our news events today. However, before we do that, let's jump into the legal stuff. Traders, this is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets or any other instrument you may trade. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you are trading your hard-earned equity and risking your mortgage payment, your car payment, or your groceries, please rethink what you're doing and move to a demo account and trade the markets when you can trade comfortably in your financial situation. Trading comfortably will increase your trading probabilities of being successful in the Forex markets. Okay, traders, let's head over to the news events today. All right, let's look at the Aussie. Aussie has a lot of news coming out. In the Asia session, we have Aussie interest rate decision and Aussie rate statement, both of them high impact data releases, and we're expecting them in about 90 minutes from the time of this video. Traders, in the Euro session, we have the Great British Pound Services PMI, another high impact news event. Traders, about 1 hour before the New York markets open, we have the CAD IV PMI. That is a high impact event. Please take note of these events and keep them next to your workstation, so if you're in a trade, you can protect yourselves. Traders, let's get to the charts. However, before we do that, let's just take a real quick look at the indices today. Let me give you a rundown. This is the electronic trading that's happened overnight. The S&P 500 futures is up 0.15%. The NASDAQ 100 futures is up 0.14%. The Dow 30 is up 0.11%. The DAX is down negative 0.28%. And the FTSE 100 is up 0.20%. The Nikkei is down negative 0.19%, and traders, the dollar index is negative 0.03%. That is just a quick rundown of the indices. Let's go to the charts. Traders, this is the pound yen, and they don't call it the beast for no reason. This trading pair is very volatile, moves crazily, but when it moves in your favor, it is very pleasurable. Traders, if you're under 1 year of trading the markets, I would not advise you to trade this currency pair. Go to another currency pair. You need some screen time and some trading experience to trade this pair. You can really get hit hard if you trade this pair and you are not familiar with it and learn its personality. And yes, traders, currency pairs have personalities. This is the pound yen daily chart. Traders, we continue to be in an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. You can see the 200 exponential moving average, that green line on my chart, 166.13. Really nice moving market. However, if you trade the daily chart, what do you see that is negative? The negative point in this chart is the Bollinger Bands. They're curled to the inside. The upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band is curled, and they're basically looking at each other. However, that's a lot of pips, so I would not worry about it unless you are trading the daily charts. So we continue in an uptrend. So my bias in this currency pair is to look to go long. Traders, let's go over to the 1 hour chart of the pound yen, and let's take a look at this trade setup. This is the 1 hour chart, and you can see price is hovering at the 200 exponential moving average, the green line on my chart. If you look to the right of that, you can see my little arrow to the upside. So we're looking in this area to take long trades, and we're looking for a bullish pattern above the 200 exponential moving average and take this long. The Bollinger Bands are cooperating. They are open on the upside and open on the down Bollinger Band, the lower Bollinger Band. So this pair is ready to go. So we have nice open Bollinger Bands. We're looking to take this long. We're just looking for a nice bullish candlestick pattern, and away we go. No reason to wait for a pullback. We are at the place of trade entry. And this is coming to you about 3.5 hours, close to 4 hours before the London Open. So price could change by the time you review this video. Traders, let's go over to the pound yen 15-minute chart and see what we have here. Again, traders, take a look and don't get tunnel vision on the big red candle that's coming down. This is still in an uptrend, traders. All the candles before that were higher highs and higher lows. We got a rejection from the 200 exponential moving average at 172.33. This is an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. Traders, we are in a range. That is the bottom line. We're in a range. So how are we going to trade this? There's nothing to fib here. We don't have enough price action to do a Fibonacci so we can really pinpoint our entry. So what we're looking for here, traders, is we are looking for price to close above the 200 exponential moving average and give us a bullish candlestick formation and take this to the long side, and then reassess your entry for your stop loss and your take profit area. That is the pound yen for today, traders. Let's move to the next pair, and let's take a look at the Aussie dollar daily chart. This is a very nice uptrend, traders. Higher highs, higher lows. We're in a little range here to the side for the last 6 days. That's okay, but my bias still remains. We're in an uptrend. We do not have a change of trend to the downside, so we are going to continue our bias to go long. All right, traders, I do not have a trade set up on the daily chart, so let's move over to the 1 hour chart and see what we have here. Traders, on the 1 hour chart, we continue in a range. We did get a candlestick above the 200 EMA, and now it has come back to retest it on the current candle. So what are we looking for? Traders, we are at the point of happiness. We need to look for a close and a bullish pattern above the 200 exponential moving average and take our trade to the long side. Where would your stop go? Right below the 200 exponential moving average at the time of your entry. All right, traders, if you're not trading the 1 hour chart and looking at the 15-minute chart, let's take a look at that. Traders, this is the Aussie dollar 15-minute chart. Traders, nice bounce off the 200 exponential moving average. Currently at 0.9271 price, and it did make a very nice bounce there. And it is at a nice uptrend. However, traders, I don't think we should be trading at this level. We need to see a nice pullback to the 200 EMA and then trade long. So you can put a fib in there. I would do it to the swing below the 200 exponential moving average, but I don't think you need to. Just use the 200 exponential moving average as firm support and a firm area for a bounce. And you can see on this chart it did that like 4 times. Why would it do it again? So wait for the pullback to the 200 and take this trade to the long side. Traders, on behalf of myself and FXCL Excellence in Trading, I would like to thank you for joining me today. And until next time, traders, which will be tomorrow before the London Open, remember, traders, trade safe and trade smart. Take care, traders, and bye-bye.